So let's go ahead and get set up with our Simplifi account. So as you can see here, I've already gone ahead and signed up. It's super easy. All you have to do is give them your email, your phone number, and add in a password, and it's going to take you to this account because you don't have a subscription just yet. Most of the time, Quicken will have some sort of promotion, and right now there is a 50% off promotion. So I'm going to go ahead and actually sign up for it. You can either sign up for it, just click get started, or you can see Simplifi and what it looks like. So we're going to turn that off because that's what I'm here for. So this course is here to teach you how to use this tool. So we're going to click on get started. You're going to see me sign up and pay for it. So I'm going to pause the video here and we'll come back after I've paid for it.
A few moments later.
So we've paid for our account. So now it's telling us you are all set. Get started. So here it wants me to add my credentials again, my username and password. So we'll go ahead and do that. Thank God for me, it's already saved into my computer. It makes it easier to get in. So you are on your way to take control of your finances. So here it's asking for my first name, last name, and zip code. We are going to click next. And now we are going to add our first account. My suggestion to you is to add as many accounts as you possibly can here. The more of your accounts you have here, the easier it is for you to really understand your full financial picture. So I'm going to go ahead and add my account. Once I've added that, I'll be back.
A few moments later.
I have added both my personal account that has my credit card, my bank information, and my auto loan, and I've also added my investment account. Now, what I do have to tell you though, before you sit down and do all of this, make sure you have all of your passwords ready. And my suggestion to you will be on whatever Chrome window you are using, log into those accounts on your Chrome window. Make sure you're connected in. Quicken will be able to then quickly log itself into your accounts if you already log into them on the same Chrome window platform. So for me, I'm using my Lessons Lived Gmail. I had to go into that Gmail Chrome, sign up for both of the accounts I wanted to add for the purpose of this demonstration, and it made it so much easier for me to get into Quicken. So now it's going to give you a quick tour to set up, but we'll skip that because the whole purpose of this course, right, is for us to get that tour. Now here is what my account has. I'm seeing my net worth. Where is my banking information? Okay, so it doesn't look like you registered my banking information. So once again, I'm going to quickly make sure I add that here. I don't know why that did not register. So securing connection. So we'll go ahead and add these. So it has detected, and this is what is cool about this account. So now that I've added my banking information, it's already started collecting bills and recognizing some recurring bills. So here it's recognizing Rently as my landlord. So it's telling me I'm all set, so I'm going to click on continue. Now the dashboard has a lot more information. I could add a spending plan. Here is a list of my how much money I've spent so far. Here are my bills and payments that they believe are coming due. And then here is my rent is definitely not $2.99. I wish, right? And here is my spending based on categories. And then down here you have spending watch list, which we're going to set up here soon, a savings goal, and an overview of your spending reports, your achievements, etc. Before you go, follow me on my other platforms. On my business channel for career, business, and money strategies to build your corporate exit strategy. On my lifestyle and travel vlog for the real life behind the strategy. And on my podcast from corporate to CEO for daily side business tips and motivation. But the real work happens in the community. This is where we support each other and build this together. Same values, same season, and same direction. I'll see you there.